What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing out there? Today is a very exciting day. Do I sound excited? Or do I sound like I normally sound, right? Today's a very exciting day. Let's put it that way, all right? Guys, finally, it has finally arrived. What has arrived? You ask yourself, what has arrived? Well, right now, the pina and the watermelon lady is going by. So the pina, pineapple, and watermelon lady is going by. So she's finally arrived. But that's not what has arrived. Guys, it finally has arrived. You ready for it? Here it is. Without further ado, there it is, baby. The YouTube silver button has arrived. We are going to do an unboxing. Everybody does unboxings, right? So why would I be any different? Guys, listen to this. Let me give you some numbers here. I started June 28th, 2015. Was when I started my YouTube channel. I have 1,753 videos out there, and that doesn't count live streams. That's just videos. You guys, here's an astonishing number. 43,512,776 views. And here's what makes you guys part of this. 104,184 subs. Guys, never be a channel, no YouTube channel will be a channel without its subs, right? You guys are the ones that make a channel happen. But yeah, here, I hit this goal last month, right? Hit that 100,000. I'm like all excited and everything like that. When's YouTube going to send me this silver button? What's going to happen? Doesn't work like that. Waited for an email. No, actually, I got online and sent them a message. Said, I reached my 100,000 subscriber mark. When do I expect to get my silver play button? Doesn't work like that. You had to wait. I think I waited like a week or two later. Then they sent me the email. Said, congratulations on hitting 100,000 subscribers. You are eligible now for the silver button, the silver play button. Cool. Gave me a code, inputted the code, hit the button, brought me to a different page. They asked me for my name, my address, where I want it sent to. Also, what name they want it put on the silver button, because they customize it specifically for you and your channel. Then they said, we are going to review your channel, and if you're not in any types of violation of YouTube guidelines, you're good to go. So then you wait it, and wait it, another couple weeks. Then I got an email from UPS. We are in the process of shipping you your silver play button. You can keep track of it via online through UPS. Like, all right, cool. So we went away. Guys, if you didn't check out our past couple videos, my videos, Lutz videos, we were down in Bel Air. Check it out. Beautiful place. Awesome place down there. So we were away, and it was supposed to be delivered the 14th of February. We were away. So I'm like, oh man, this thing's gonna come. And you know, and I told Rinalyn here, our housekeeper, like, keep an eye out for it. Don't go anywhere because you have to sign for it. And she took a snapshot and sent it, and like it arrived the 15th, and I was like all excited to get back here. So we got back here, and I've been staring at this box now for the past 4 days. I didn't want to unbox it and open it because I had other videos I wanted to put out to you guys. So guys, this is it. This is the unboxing, the unveiling. Also, didn't cost a penny. Did not cost a penny. YouTube ships it free. YouTube's actually not the one that makes it. They contract it out through a society award YouTube Society Award, Groves Oak, Oklahoma, I think that is, United States. So they sent it out, and it was funny because the email said, "We are personally engraving your plaque and polishing it up, getting it ready to be shipped to you." They make it sound really great. Guys, listen, here's a number for you. I think they said there's 51 million YouTubers out there in the world, in the entire world, all right, and growing. Out of that 51 million YouTubers, guess how many make it to get a silver button? What percentage? 0.028% get to the point of a silver button. And it is a great accomplishment. I'm proud of it, as I should be proud of it. And once again, I thank you guys as subscribers, for watching my channel, sticking with me no matter where we go. We got, I call them the super subscribers. I don't care where we go, they're watching our channels. They're watching our video, and we greatly appreciate it. And then we have people that will watch the channel just for select things. My channel has always been about a variety of things. I don't stick to one thing. So anyways, guys, I've been babbling long enough. 6 minutes, and it is time to open the YouTube silver play button. Without further ado, let me get my trusty knife here. I got it all taped. Cut the tape, cut the tape. Cut the tape without cutting the box. You guys ready? Here it is, the unboxing. Should I look first? Yeah, I'm gonna look first. Oh, wait. Here's what it looks like when you open it. It's like a foam cover right there that goes over it to keep it from getting destroyed or ruined. Guys, without further ado, I'm gonna share this. I'm not gonna hide it from you guys. You guys are the ones that made this happen. You guys ready? Oh, wait, letter. Forgot the letter. Forgot the letter. Let's do the letter. Here's a letter. All right. I'm going to read it. I'm going to do my best to read it. You guys know I'm not the best reader. YouTube, do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, I do. My very first subscriber was my beautiful wife, Lut. Check out her channel, Lut's Diary Adventures in the Philippines. LOTS Diary Adventures in the Philippines. My very first subscriber. Or your 100,000 or your 1,000th subscriber. Chances are you do. We know that you've definitely remembered your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learning about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommendation video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice, my unique voice. People say I'm drab and boring. Some people find it unique, right? And the excitement being part of the growing community that you establish. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many, many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscribers? Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. There it is. Like I said, you guys know I am not the best reader. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take, there's a little card. We are honored to take part in the recognitions you've achieved and want your experience to be excellent. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Thank you very much for checking it out. Guys, without further ado, Here it is. Oh, there it is. Plastic. Let's get this plastic off here so we can inspect it better, right? It's not very heavy. It's actually pretty light, but there it is. Presented to Philly in the Philippines for passing 100,000 subscribers from YouTube. Philly, yep, they even printed my name correctly. Let me show you here. See if you guys can see that, right? I don't know what it looks like because I'm behind it, but check it out, check it out. Oop, there I am. Yeah, there it is, guys. So it's like a mirror, little play button, the silver play button, my name, presented to Philly in the Philippines for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thanks, guys. Thank you so much. I couldn't have done this without you. We're keep growing, still putting out videos. We're going to do it. We're going to continue to do it. 1 million. I guess 1 million subscribers would be the next thing, right? Great. The back is really nice too. They have 2 hooks there so you can mount it up on a wall, whatever you want to do. But like I said, not very heavy at all. Yeah, I'm proud. I'm proud. You know, when I started years ago, I did it as a hobby. I did it for fun. And then it just kept growing and kept growing and kept growing and kept growing and kept growing. You know, every day I'm thinking, hey, what can I do? Where can I go? And you guys, thank you so much for following me. Thank you for supporting me through everything, ups and downs and ins and outs and everything like that. I've lost subscribers on the way. I've gained subscribers on the way. And guys, no one's ever, if you can get every single one of your subscribers to view every single one of your videos, it'd be amazing. Doesn't work like that. 100,000 subscribers, you know, 5, 10,000, 15, 20,000 people will watch a video. It fluctuates. And with having, you know, 1,753 videos every day, I'm getting comments on old videos. You know, I built a library. When you build a big library, it's like a library on the street. People will go in and pull a book off of each shelf every day. When you build a big library, you're going to have people checking out your videos for the first time, looking at videos for the first time. So I've always said I'm from back in the day. They said upload, upload, upload. Now things have changed since then. But I'm happy, I'm proud, and I don't know where I'm going to hang this thing. I don't know. You know what? Maybe I'll see if I can get a spot up on Walking Street where the stars are. You know, the stars that are on the sidewalk. Some of you guys know what I'm talking about. Some of you guys don't. Maybe I can get a star. Maybe I can get my own spot right there. Maybe I can get this thing mounted on the entrance that says Walking Street. Yeah. I don't know. I'll get this up in there. This is just awesome. So, all right, guys. I know I've rambled long enough. The intro took a while, but that's part of YouTubing. With YouTube, you want to keep people engaged. Put the meat of your story in the middle, so you can build up to the meat of your story. There's so many different ways you can do it. So many different things. But once again, guys, it would not be a channel without you guys. So once again, I thank each and every one of you, from my very first subscriber, look, to the last subscriber that just joined maybe today. Thank you very much, and more to come.